Welcome WBP stars. The next impression I would like to show you here from the menu of Alchemist is our homage to Andy Warhol, the Velvet Underground. So it's our little banana. So we start up with the banana skin. The banana skin here is made of a juice of green bananas, milk and sugar, and then we are make it in two different colors. So we get the look of exactly the Andy Warhol banana. We make it in two 3D molds, and in the end then we cover it, put it on top of a 3D mold to mold it like a little banana. So inside the banana we have ice cream made of green bananas as well, but this one is made of the puree of the green bananas. Fill it up with the ice cream. And it's important that it gets filled up all the way through, so you don't see, if you don't fill it up the whole way, you can see like through the banana skin, and we don't want people to look through it. Then we have three different kind of condiments for the banana ice cream. One of these, the first one here is a puree made of caramelized egg yolk. So very like heavy egg yolk cream, made with egg yolks that just caramelize very slowly. A little bit of cachaça gel to give a little bit of alcohol to the dish. And then we finish off with a gel that is made of tonka beans to get this like aromatic kind of wood roof flavor. Then we have the completely white canvas, white plate that we put the Velvet Underground on.